my favorite words is simple. I am always looking for ways to simplify my life and create an easier path to my goals. I got a lot of goals. So back when I was a personal trainer, my clients kept coming to me and they were like, I don't have time to eat healthy. And so I gave them a smoothie to make, but it had like 14 ingredients and they were like, Helen, this is not easy. But I also knew that they weren't going to reach their goals by not fixing their nutrition. And I was like, okay, how can I make this person's life more simple? I took all the dry ingredients I wanted them to put in their smoothie and I rolled it into this little convenient ball. I was up till 2, 3 a.m. every morning, hand rolling balls in my kitchen. It was fun. So I started handing these little bombs out to all my friends, all my clients. Bombs away! So immediately, testimonial messages just started pouring in. People were saying they had more energy, they were finally able to get nutrition into their kids or their spouses. They had less sugar cravings. They were able to reach their weight loss goals. And so from then on, that's when I knew I had to do whatever it took to take Blender Bombs to the next level. Nobody works harder than our team. I had them doing the craziest shit. I don't know why they stuck with me. They were driving across country in a Blender Bombs wrapped RV. We sold smoothies out of a trailer in my front yard during COVID, which is absolutely illegal. Definitely worked our ass off. It builds character. There's one thing that's remained a constant in this journey, and that is you guys. If it weren't for my clients showing me the confusion around nutrition and adding more whole foods to your diet, then the Bombco wouldn't even exist. So find what works for you. But one thing that is not up for debate is that adding more whole foods to your diet is extremely transformational. Make sure to follow along and have a bomb day. This is so damn good. This is a damn good smoothie.